Hello guys, welcome back again in Cardano analysis video. If you have not subscribed, then make a subscription because currently we are offering free premium course for specific people who will subscribe and comment, and then their name will be added in lucky draw, and you will get our premium course free. So now let's move further, and let's check that what is happening in uh, ARDA. So previously I have marked this area for the daily time frame, but there was also fair value gap. Market just little touched in this fair value gap, and that fair value gap is mitigated, but it is not perfectly mitigated. I am expecting the market to come up to here, but let's see it will come to that level or not. If we check on 4 hour, then in 4 hour we have formed this morning star in near this resistance, and this was the retest, and it has gone up to this much. So if you have expertise on candlestick patterns, then you must be familiar that after forming of any pattern, usually retest happen in 1 or 2 candles. So here this usually a final retest, then after it usually fails. So you can enter from this point, and this was your SL, and you can see that 1:3 is already done. So moving with proper risk to reward ratio is always recommended. I have given this signal, and this signal is win-win condition for our premium members. You can also join this group, and it's very cheap. Okay, so now there can be two possibilities which are visible to me here on the 4 hour. What are the two possibilities? First possibility here, if you see, then it's a major support area. Fair value gap is also available on 4 hour. If market touch this, then it can go up to here, but it can also fail. And if this fails, and if it breaks downside, then one more possibility will arise like this. If you are old trader, you must be familiar with this pattern. This is the head and shoulder pattern, and it's a bearish pattern, so it can also impact this market. And if market, this area is very important now, this area, if market broke below this area successfully, and 3 to 4 candle closes, and after this support, if it has broken, then it can go down, but after breaking it, it will retest this area, and then again will go down. But that's for enough, and it will take, of course, some time. But if market came here, and if market form bullish patterns here, like bullish engulfing and morning stars, like here, if it has formed like bullish engulfing formed, and then retest of bullish engulfing also formed. So these two entries were best. One entry was on 1 hour, another entry was on 4 hour, and those entries goes very well, and TP is already hit for the scalping. Okay, so these setups are usually for the short term and scalping. So for the long term, of course, this area is very important, and if you found bullish engulfing morning star here, then you can enter here. But if you do not found bullish patterns, don't enter, because it can break down, and if it successfully breaks down, then total scenario will be changed. Okay, so if you are old trader, and if you are familiar with these things, then must put your SL, and always do risk management, always do proper risk to reward ratios and all those stuffs. And if you are new in this field, and if you does not know anything, and if you wanted to learn, then our premium courses are available in description, and I am a Udemy instructor, and all my courses are available with very cheap price like $10 or $12. For that, courses are also recommended. In that courses we usually teach fair value gaps, we usually teach market structure and candlestick patterns and all those stuffs. So those things are very highly recommended, and those are very in cheap. Those does not charges you a lot, and that's nothing. And I will say that one time lunch or dinner is have a higher value than that course. So only worthy or only valuable thing is your time. So when you will give time to those knowledge and those $1,000 knowledge, then of course you will learn a lot. I am providing my knowledge with absolutely zero cost. Even for that course, its actual worth is in thousands of dollars. People usually charge for those courses in very high amounts, but I am just serving the community, and I am providing it with very less price.